So, hello everyone, this is Raj from Rapid XCI. Today I'll tell you how I earned more than 1 lakh rupees in a single day. Now, for a lot of people, this is their monthly salary. For a lot of people, this is their quarterly salary. Let's just say you are in TCS. If you are fresher in TCS, we all know how good you get paid. So I earned this much in a single day. Now again, it was not a one day show. It took a lot of progression to get here, to get the clients to pay me. But yeah, they both sent me the payment of the same day, fortunately. So I'm making this video. So I'll just tell you what allowed me to get here, because again, I'm not special. I'm a human. We are humans after all. You are a human, I'm a human. And if I can do something, I think sure as hell you can do it too. Now again, this is an empowerment video. If anyone thinks otherwise, that hey, maybe I'm scamming, feel free to do whatever you have in your power. um but yeah, anyways, so this is my recent activity. So I got, first of all, I got $1,000 payment from one of my clients, and then the same client paid me more, $600 here, as you could say, as deposit. So this got deposited on 4th April, and this one came through on 3rd April. So actually, both of these came through on 3rd April, but the deposit, again, it takes like 1 day time in PayPal. So it got deposited the next day. So I might have blurred out that thing for sensitivity reasons. It might have some sensitive stuff. I don't know the client name, so I blurred it out. But yeah, so this is what we got here, and it's almost $1,500, which is I don't know. It should be more than a lakh in Indian rupees. So first of all, I'll quickly brush through my background. So I made these cool charts. So I hope you guys like it. So my journey from, well, zero to like $1,500 a day. Now again, this is like 1 day's income. It's not that I earn this much every day. It's just that sometimes I earn $100, $200, $500. It depends. Sometimes I earn like $1,000 a week, $2,000 a week. It's variable. It's business. It's variable. But still, at the same time, I have earned a lot till now. This month, I am closing. I'm not even closing. I think today is 14th of April, and I'm in at $5,000 in revenue. Easy. So great stuff. Let me just quickly brush you through my journey. So I started YouTube as a content creator. I used to do AI generated content. I used to do defense content, um, content on the latest military technology like BrahMos, Tejas, and stuff like that. So this channel that you're currently watching this video on, it used to be that kind of channel. It used to be an AI generated video channel. But then I switched it up. I said, oh, you know what? Fuck this shit. Let me just do some real, face to face talking, telling people my journey and stuff like that. Again, I'm completely transparent. I'm not one of those gurus who'll sit here and say, well, buy my course. Because if you want my course, that's fine. But I give more than enough information for everyone and anyone to learn, go out there, implement, and earn a fuck ton of money. So that's me. Second thing, I got 95% in 10th, even though it doesn't matter. I barely studied like 2 months, but I got what I got. So barely matters. Doesn't make much of a difference, but still a good flex. Then yeah, I learned Python and Java over this year, and I'm pretty proficient with both of those. So even though if AI cannot do something, I can do that manually. Also, I have a good knowledge about API, make.com, API calls, JSON requests, and a whole lot of stuff. I hope you guys understand that. So I have a good depth knowledge in that. I've made multiple projects on n10, and I've done a lot of stuff. It's been a vibrant experience for me, as you can see. I also do boxing, and I also do shooting. Not not shooting people, but like the pistol air rifle shooting, air pistol shooting. So I got a varied experience. So this particular project, which I got, and how you guys can get this too, projects like these, how you guys can also get it is, first of all, let me tell you what this project is for. This is a SaaS MVP. We'll be building a for software as a service, kind of a platform for people to join and do marketing, in a nutshell. Okay, so we are going to build that, and to build that, we'll use Bolt, we'll use N10, we'll use custom code, we'll use webhook request, all that kind of stuff. All in all, this is what I got. And yeah, this is my technology stack. It's Python, Java, Bolt, N10, prompt engineering. Yeah, engineering is a big factor, but it's not as big. It's not like too big of a differentiator here. But still, it it helps me write good prompts, and a good prompt writer is something that you need right now. Like, because anyone can write prompts. It's like typing out words. It's like, okay, anyone can do that. If you can speak English, you can do it. But to write out good prompts, there are some certain keywords that you learn over the experience, over your human experiences. So I use those certain keywords. I would be dropping a course on prompt engineering real soon. You guys can watch that. If you want to get your first client, I've got so many videos on my channel. Look, this is just to tell you that everything that I'm doing right now, all that I'm earning, it's because I mean you can do the same. That's what I'm here for. I'm telling you that. Watch my videos. Watch my video on how to get your first client in 24 hours. Watch all of that. Once you watch all of that, you'll get an idea and maybe get a client in 24 hours or less, and then just start working. Because this is how I started. I'm giving out legit information to you guys. I can do it. I'm 16. I got nothing to I got a lot to do. But yeah, I mean, if I can do it, I don't know what's your age, but you sure as hell can. Anyways, moving from that, this is my, you can say, small journey. So month one, month two, I remember I used to get like $100 for per month. It looked like a big amount because 8,000 rupees, you can do a lot. Now it's pennies. It's like, okay, I just spend it right like this. So it doesn't matter. But at the time, that's how I started out. I was furious. I was furious at the people with Fortuners. I was furious at the people with bungalows. Like, what's the difference between that guy, that fat businessman, and me? Because again, I take care of my health. I'm I have everything in place, but why does he have what I don't have? Or why I don't have what he has? He's not a better man than me, obviously. I can be him. I can be better than him. So that just ignited a fire in me where I was like, no, I cannot live like this and I gotta change. So yeah, it still burns inside me where I see someone with much like more success than me. I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm angry. Let's make some money because I'm just angry. You just have to channel your anger because people are doing amazing shit in this world which you are not doing. Like, even though I'm 16, I've done nothing. The Cal.com guy, he's made millions. I'm still stuck at 1,000. So it's kind of weird. I do not compare myself to the lower people below me. Barely earning anything. They're playing PUBG, they're playing BGMI. Sure, I mean there are a lot of people doing that, but my there's no point for me to let's just say compare below my echelon, to compare below my standards. I always look up. I'm like, okay, this guy at 17 made few million using cal.com as a SaaS. So why can't I? Why can't I? Why him? Why not you? Why me? But why not you? That's the question. And I'll be dropping videos on all of this. I'll be dropping videos on how to build large scale SaaS applications, which would blow your clients off the water. They'd be like, oh shit, it's good. I'll be dropping all of that for you guys. I'm gonna record it right after this video. But yeah, all in all, this was a quick 10-minute video, which I'm telling you, you can do it too. I did it. I'm doing it right now. If I'm not earning money, I'm just kind of furious that okay, I have to make money every day or every single week. I just prefer every day. That's better. That's better to keep track of. So I can spend 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, not worrying about okay, but I didn't earn anything. My first thumb rule is that I don't spend until I earn. I gotta earn first, then maybe I can spend 1% or 5% of what I earn. That's how I view it. If I earn 10,000 rupees, I spend 500. That's how I like to do things. 500, it's for me, and maybe I could in this economy you can barely buy anything in 500, but still that's how I like to view things and that's how I like to roll. So small video, you have all the courses, everything that you need on my YouTube channel. Watch all of that. I know it's a bit boring. I know it's a bit it's a bit maybe you can just call it boring. It's unstimulating, but I mean, all you have to do is type out words. I'm not even asking you to like fight wars in Ukraine. I'm not asking you to dig a trench. I'm not asking you to build a pyramids. I'm asking you, watch my videos. They're a bit boring. Put in the work, get client, get paid, make everyone proud, make everyone happy, give everyone a good life. That's all I'm asking for. So thanks for watching. It was a quick one. I don't know if it has value or not, but yeah, it's just I'm just flexing my achievements. Get angry that okay, this kid, how can this kid do it? Why can't I do it? And then just get to work, make money. Thanks for watching. Follow for more. Cheers. Appreciate it.